Hey friends, today I'm showing you these Fireflies 18-piece white LED interior lights for 2007 to 2019 Toyota Tundra. Super bright, it says, the 6K 3014 series. So I picked this up off of Amazon for just shy of $40. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys can check it out. So got a new Tundra, and if you can, you want to switch to LED lights, because if you leave your door open, you're not going to come out and have your battery dead. And also, sorry, shouldn't unbox yet. Also, they're a lot brighter, so definitely like the interior lights. The old bulbs, just kind of that yellow glow. You can't really see anything. When I switched to these in my Odyssey, man, the difference between night and day. And we left the lights on all night before with an LED, and the battery was fine. With the old bulbs, went out there, couldn't start the van. So get LEDs. Anyways, so let's continue on with the unboxing here. First we have looks like a tool to open the lights and stuff like that to get the tops off, so you can access the light bulbs. Here we have, okay, all kinds of little bulbs here. So in case the LED bulb doesn't light up, spread pins with the fingernail to make better connection. Okay, so you got little tiny, oh my goodness, there's all kinds of bulbs in here. And I think this covers, let's see, we got 2 map bulbs, 2 dome bulbs, 1 glove box, 1 driver ignition and footwell, 4 vanity mirrors, 4 door, 2 cargo bed, 2 license plate lights. So this is pretty much all the little lights on your Tundra. This is going to cover it, so pretty excited. I'm going to be installing these 2 later on, and you guys can watch that video too. So keep this in your glove box. For any reason your LEDs don't work, please call us. 2-year warranty on the LEDs, so that's pretty cool. Alright, also comes with these instructions here. Placement guide. So we got 2 for the cargo bed. It shows you right here 2 for the map, door, 4 for the doors, license plate, dome lights here, vanity mirrors. Oh, that's cool. I don't think I have vanity mirror bulbs for my Odyssey. I might have to check those out. Glove box, footwell ignition. That's cool because it's kind of dim in there. Please be careful with these tiny bulbs. They're very fragile. If you break one, just let us know. We'll replace it no charge. That's pretty cool. I mean, for a company to say that, and then you have your little tool to open that. So some nice instructions here. Okay, that's pretty neat. I just got a newer truck, so pretty excited to get these bulbs in there and everything. So front light maps. Oh, so it comes with instructions on not only on how to install them as well. Just for example, cargo lights. Unscrew the housing and replace the bulbs. This one is super easy. Front map lights. Press the lens button to turn on lights. Press again and hold button down to turn off lights. While holding down lens button, a gap will open up on the back of the lens. Insert pry tool in the gap and gently pry off. Remove old bulb. Okay, so this should be a fun install. And thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. These are by Fireflies, and I think these are probably a pretty good brand. They had a really good reviews there on Amazon, so that's kind of what the box looks like. And I will be doing install videos later on. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Everyone have a great day. See you next time.